Pingdingshan Oriental Carbon Co. Limited is one of the leading professional Chinese manufacturers of big-size fine structure isotropic high-purity graphite. In CZ crystal industry, our isostatic graphite is essential material in the thermal field. Graphite products for CZ crystal mainly contain graphite heater, graphite crucible, graphite guide tube, heat shield, middle graphite insulation tube, inner guide tube, graphite tray, and other small components. Oriental Carbon can also offer our customers materials for EDM, continuous casting, sintering, glass handing, diamond tools, molds, and etc. If you want to know more about our products, please contact us on Alibaba.com and send us an inquiry.